This is where so many parents get frustrated because they don't understand why they're having so many blowout diapers. Hey sis, I'm Sam. I'm a doula and mama of 4, and this little guy gave me a great opportunity to teach you how to change a diaper. There's a big surprise for me in there, or maybe it's not so much a surprise because I heard it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, right? Yeah, so let's go deal with this. I'm going to grab my supplies, my diapers, my wipes. I also like to lay down a barrier. Just a little barrier can help with those messier situations. A lot of people are worried about getting sprayed in the face by little boys or having some projectile poop flown in their direction, but that's a really easy fix. Just turn the baby sideways and you won't have that problem near as often as you think. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm using the Huggies little snugglers, but a lot of brands have very similar designs. It has a stretchy part in the back, flaps are in the back, and the sticky part where the flaps attach to close the diaper is in the front. In this case, they are little purple areas on the front of the diaper. I've positioned the diaper just underneath his belly button in the front and fully covering his bottom on the back. I hold down the front panel while at the same time pulling the bottom tab up and around and attaching it in the front. Holding down that front little flap is crucial to help avoid leaks. I do the same thing on the other side, and I've attached the tabs evenly on both sides. Now I did that kind of fast, so let's slow this down so you can see it a little bit better. Again, I am pulling down the front flap and pulling up the back flap before I attach it to the sticky part on the front. Now let's pause right here just for a second because I have a little pro tip for you. You see these little ripply parts on the side of the diaper? Those are called gussets, and that's what helps hold everything in. Most disposable diapers have double gussets, so you will see that there are 2 of those little ripply parts on the sides, one on the inside and one on the outside. This is where so many parents get frustrated because they don't understand why they're having so many blowout diapers. And it's because you're not paying attention to these gussets on the side. After you put the diaper on the baby, you're gonna want to stick your finger in the leg hole of the diaper and pull out both gussets so they are on the outside of the baby's bottom. This little step right here will save you so much frustration, so much laundry because your baby has blown out yet another diaper. Make sure that you do this step fully. There you have it, sis. That is how you change a diaper. Comment down below with any questions you have. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you're feeling generous, and I will see you in the next one.